bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho. It's about uMusa Mseleku. uMusa Mseleku is on bring back Vuyokazi to the Mseleku family or something. I don't know, guys. Musa Mseleku started posting Vuyo on birthday kaMhlopekazi, which was on the 25th of May. Then uposte i-picture kaMhlopekazi ame nomama wakhe noNzulu. We don't know, and praising of Vuyokazi ukuthi she's the best mom. Alright, guys, a lot of people had a problem. You should have just posted your grandkids. Like, there was no need to post of your guys, because there were a lot of pictures on the internet whereby Mhlopekazi Bagame Nonzulu, or even Mhlopekazi Amai one. There was no need to post Mhlopekazi Ame no Mike, and there was no need for you praising Vuyokazi for being a best mom. Sisalindile today, just now, the Mseleku children page, but it's Mseleku kids page, something like that. But the page Lalengani Zaramselek on Instagram has posted Vuyokazi, and they asking people to support the business Vuyokazi. On the caption they have wrote Guti Vuyokazi has launched a new business, please support. And they even put a link of the business there on their page. We know that the family Gamseleko has a huge following, guys, and them supporting Vuyokazi is not the wrong thing, but from them, like, it's shaky, because we know that Mpumelelo ufila kanjani ngoVuyokazi, and even they break up, being a right, like they have been quiet for months since Vuyokazi no Mpumelelo bahlukene. Why they support now, or are they fixing things? Maybe Mr. Mseleku, Baba Mseleku uyabona ukuthi, you know what, uMpumelelo really need uVuyokazi, and uke washo Baba Mseleku ukuthi yena uyamdinga uVuyokazi lapha kaMseleku, and angajabulela ukuthi uVuyokazi noMpumelelo babukelane. Official uMpumelelo wathi mangabe yamfuna baba mthathe, because ushilo ukuthi if azange amamele ubabakhe ngabe banoVuyokazi mhlawumbe azange baze babe noNzulu, and yena noVuyokazi ngabe kudala bahlukene, yena nje bekalokhu ahleli ubabakhe kaloku amfoster athi umama engane yakho kumele umshade, but yena nje uVuyokazi noVuyokazi into zabo azihambi kahle, and yena noVuyokazi abasathandani. But I feel as if kaMseleku nje sebanayo lento leyo ukuthi na Impumelelo sakayibona ukuthi, you know what, I've messed up here, I lost a good wife or a good woman, because futhi bongasiyo Wi-Fi, maybe she's a good woman, because uke wamdelela wathi I will never marry you, or you'll never be my first wife. Futhi azangathi I'll never marry you, say you'll never be my first wife, but I'll take a virgin as a first wife. So to me that was a disrespect from Mpumelelo to uVuyokazi. But I guess manje sebabona to know what God is finally answering imithandazo kaVuyokazi, and uVuyokazi has finally healed, and she is moving on, guys. She is making money. You can see, guys, even the surgery, that is a very expensive surgery. Mind you, so flying from here to take it's a lot of money. So that means uVuyokazi is making money, and Vuyokazi is making a lot of money. Maybe Musa Mseleku, Musa Mseleku ubonakala njengendoda egride, anyeke azavuma ukuthi umnotho wala uphume uyokomunye umuntu. So now they realize ukuthi umntana abo lahle umfazi ohlakaniphile, and lo mfazi uzoshada nenye indoda abuild somewhere else. Mina I'm just praying ukuthi balungise whatever differences they have for the sake of abantwana, not ukuthi uVuyokazi abile kaMseleku, but I'll be very happy if ngabona uMpumelelo aposte ingane zakaMvuyokazi and showing ukuthi he's there for ingane zakaVuyokazi. Bazala mzitho, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.